Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Experian account security after fraud alert activation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering the necessary information related to your Experian account. Ensure you have your personal details, including your social security number, date of birth, and address ready. Visit the Experian website and log into your account. If you cannot access your account, click on the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Once logged in, navigate to the Fraud Alert section of your account dashboard. Review the details of the current fraud alert status on your account. If you believe the fraud alert is no longer necessary, follow the provided steps to remove it. To enhance security, consider placing a credit freeze on your Experian account. Navigate to the Credit Freeze section and select the option to place a freeze. Confirm your identity by answering security questions as prompted. After successfully placing the credit freeze, you will receive a confirmation. Next, set up account alerts for future transactions and changes. Look for the Notifications or Alerts section in your account settings. Enable notifications for any changes made to your account or credit report. Consider enrolling in Experian's credit monitoring services for added protection. Review your credit report regularly for any unfamiliar activities. If you notice any suspicious activity, immediately report it to Experian's fraud department. Document all communications with Experian for your records. Finally, revisit your account security settings periodically to ensure they remain up to date. By following these steps, you can effectively restore and enhance the security of your Experian account after a fraud alert activation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.